In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Business Profile to Google Ads. By the end, your locations will be ready to appear alongside your ads, making it easier for customers to find your business online and in person. Start by going to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that manages the campaigns you want to enhance. It helps to confirm you have the proper permissions for both Google Ads and your Google Business Profile so the connection completes smoothly. Once you're in, click Tools. You'll find this in the top navigation bar. It's the section that houses setup and administrative options. From there, click Data Manager. This area organizes your first-party data sources and integrations, and it's where you connect Google Ads to services like your Google Business Profile, so your location information can flow into your campaigns. Next, click Google Business Profile. This is the integration that enables your locations to be used as location assets in Google Ads. Connecting here ensures your business name, address, phone number, and hours stay consistent and can be shown to users nearby. You'll now select the location. You should see the business or locations available to you based on your Google Business Profile access. Choose the specific location or locations you want to link. If you operate multiple locations, pick the ones relevant to the campaigns you plan to run. Accuracy matters here, so double-check that the address and details match what you want customers to see. Click. Next to proceed. This brings you to a confirmation stage so you can review your choices before finalizing. Then select the source of location information. In other words, decide where Google Ads should pull the location details from within your Google Business Profile. Choose the source that best reflects the locations you intend to advertise, such as a specific profile or grouping you manage. This helps keep your data clean and consistent across accounts. Once done, click Link. If your access is in order, the connection will finalize and your locations will become available in Google Ads. In some cases, you may see a brief prompt indicating the link is being verified. After the link is established, you can use these locations as assets in your campaigns and ads, helping boost visibility, relevance, and foot traffic. Quick recap. Go to your Google Ads account, click Tools, open Data Manager, select Google Business Profile, choose your location, click Next, pick the source of location information, and click Link. That's all you need to connect your profiles and start showing accurate business locations with your ads.